Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your HR account with Jefferson. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in hr.jefferson.edu and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Jefferson HR page. Click on Current Employees and then click on the Access Employee Self-Service Portal option. You will now be asked to enter your campus key. Go ahead and type in your campus key within the campus key box and then click on the next button. You will then be asked to enter your password. Just type in your account password and then click on the login button and you will be logged into your HR account with Jefferson right away. In case you forget your password, you will find the option to reset your credentials in the next screen where you need to enter your password. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your HR account with Jefferson. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.